Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in innovation and technology. Today we're taking you on a journey through 15 amazing inventions that are on another level. From futuristic robotics to groundbreaking gadgets, these inventions are changing the game and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So let's dive in. EVOT Trail, the self-following e-wagon. Imagine carrying all your gear effortlessly without the struggle of pulling a heavy cart behind you. EVOT Trail is a self-following electric wagon that makes carrying heavy loads a breeze. Whether you're hiking, camping, or doing yard work, this smart wagon follows you automatically, carrying everything from camping gear to gardening tools. What sets it apart is its rugged design, built-in intelligence, and all-terrain capabilities, making it a must-have for anyone who loves the outdoors but hates lugging around heavy stuff. Hitch Home, your mobile living solution. Hitch Home takes mobile living to a whole new level. Designed for adventurers who crave both freedom and comfort, it transforms any vehicle into a cozy mobile home. Its modular design allows you to customize the space to include sleeping quarters, kitchen facilities, and more, all while remaining compact and easy to transport. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or camping in remote areas, Hitch Home ensures that you have all the comforts of home while on the go. Unitree H1, the quadruped robot of the future. Next, we have the Unitree H1, a four-legged robot that can move over any terrain with incredible agility. Equipped with advanced sensors and powerful actuators, this robot can climb stairs, navigate rough ground, and avoid obstacles effortlessly. Originally designed for research, exploration, and entertainment, the Unitree H1 represents the cutting edge of robotics. It's Aquaforno, the ultimate outdoor cooking solution. When it comes to outdoor cooking, nothing beats the Aquaforno. This all-in-one cooking system is compact, portable, and versatile. It comes with a grill, oven, and even a water boiler, allowing you to cook just about anything in the great outdoors. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just having a backyard barbecue, the Aquaforno makes it easy to whip up gourmet meals wherever you are. Plus, its collapsible design makes it super easy to transport and store. Gigapump 4.0, the tiny but mighty inflator. Don't let the small size fool you. Gigapump 4.0 is a powerful little gadget. It can also act as a vacuum pump, helping you compress clothes and gear for easy packing. And if that's not enough, it even has an LED light with adjustable brightness, making it perfect for camping trips. Compact, lightweight, and multifunctional, the Gigapump 4.0 is truly an invention that's on another level. Surge S32, the future of electric automobiles. The Surge S32 brings the thrill of high-speed adventure to eco-friendly driving. This sleek electric vehicle combines cutting-edge design with sustainability, offering fast acceleration and incredible precision handling. Perfect for both city driving and long highway cruises, the Surge S32 is a glimpse into the future of electric vehicles, offering both style and performance without compromising on environmental responsibility. Cybe Fingers, revolutionizing prosthetics. Cybe Fingers are a game changer in the world of prosthetics. Designed to mimic the human hand with unparalleled precision, this prosthetic offers amputees incredible dexterity and control. Advanced sensors allow users to grasp and manipulate objects just like a real hand, whether it's something delicate like a glass or a heavier object. With its lifelike functionality, Cybe Fingers gives users a renewed sense of independence, showing how technology can truly change lives. Badger Extreme, the gear for serious adventurers. For those who live on the edge, Badger Extreme offers rugged gear designed to survive the toughest outdoor conditions. From weatherproof apparel to high-performance equipment, this line of gear is built to last. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or braving extreme weather, Badger Extreme ensures that you're always ready to face the elements. It's all about durability and performance, empowering adventurers to push their limits with confidence. Airspeeder Mk4, the world's first crewed flying racing car. The Airspeeder Mk4 is taking motorsport to the skies. Built in South Australia, this is the world's fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, reaching a jaw-dropping top speed of 360 km/h, 225 m/h in just 30 seconds from a standing start. Designed specifically for the exciting new sport of piloted air racing, this futuristic craft combines advanced aerodynamics with electric propulsion, creating a high-speed thrill ride with zero emissions. The Kernel Flow Advanced Wearable Brain Scanner. Kernel Flow is revolutionizing how we understand brain activity. This wearable neuroimaging device combines functional near-infrared spectroscopy, FNIRS, and electroencephalography, EEG, to monitor brain activity in real time. By measuring blood oxygenation and electrical signals in the brain, Kernel Flow gives researchers an in-depth look at how the brain functions. It's already being used to develop treatments for neurological disorders like depression, anxiety, and Alzheimer's disease. With its non-invasive and portable design, Kernel Flow has the potential to unlock the mysteries of the human brain and lead to groundbreaking medical advancements. Anker Solix F3800, portable power station for the future. The Anker Solix F3800 is a game changer in portable power. With a massive 3.84 kWh capacity and a peak output of 6,000 watts, it can power everything from refrigerators to electric vehicles. This portable powerhouse even features AC coupling, which means it can be connected to the grid to store excess solar energy. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or preparing for a blackout, the Anker Solix F3800 ensures you'll never run out of energy. It's a must-have for anyone looking to reduce their reliance on the grid while enjoying reliable, clean power. Apple Vision Pro, a new era of spatial computing. Apple Vision Pro is transforming how we interact with technology. This revolutionary spatial computer blends digital content with the physical world, creating a seamless, three-dimensional user interface controlled by your eyes, hands, and voice. With ultra-high resolution displays packing 23 million pixels, Vision Pro delivers an immersive experience that makes digital content feel like it's part of your surroundings. Whether you're working, gaming, or exploring new apps, Vision Pro opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to interact with your digital environment like never before. Apex Maker X1 high-speed industrial 3D printer. Tired of slow 3D printers? The Apex Maker X1 is here to speed things up. Featuring a massive 16-inch 8K LCD screen, this industrial-grade printer lets you create intricate designs in stunning detail. With a printing speed of up to 180 mm/H, the Apex Maker X1 allows you to produce high-quality parts in record time. Whether you're working on a complex engineering project or simply bringing your creative ideas to life, this 3D printer delivers the precision and speed you need to make it happen. Stop Sleep anti-sleep alarm for drivers. Stay alert and stay safe with Stop Sleep, an innovative anti-drowsiness alarm that could save lives on the road. Worn on your finger, Stop Sleep uses 8 sensors to monitor your levels of concentration and awareness. It can detect the first signs of drowsiness up to 5 minutes before you reach the dangerous state of microsleep, giving you an early warning to pull over or take a break. With over 100,000 crashes caused by driver fatigue each year, Stop Sleep is a critical tool for staying safe behind the wheel. Totem Planter, the modular vertical indoor garden. Transform your indoor space with the Totem Planter, a modular, self-watering indoor garden. This vertical planter allows you to grow a variety of plants using hydroponic technology. No soil needed. With Samsung horticultural LEDs providing the perfect light spectrum for growth, Totem Planter takes care of your plants automatically, watering them and adjusting lighting with the touch of a button. You can customize your planter with different modules to suit your space and plant needs, creating a green oasis right in your home. And there you have it, 15 incredible inventions that are truly on another level. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge technology or innovative solutions to everyday problems, these products are leading the way. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future discoveries. Don't forget to like, share, and let us know in the comments which invention blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.